session. So in the last class, what we have seen, we have just imported few of the images and we saw, the type of a simple editing, what we have done. Okay. So today, let me start a new composition. I'll go with half HD only. So the composition name is, again, that's a session 2. Session 2. Let's see what we can do with this. Okay. So I need to import few footages. Let's say, for example, few of the footages. Let's say instead of images, I'll add videos into this today. Few of the videos. So let's say I would like to add a music video. Let's create some music video. Let's do a mix mash of editing. Okay. In the sense, I'll take video footage of different clips, and I would like to add a different music. Let's say an inspirational music I'll be taking, and let's create a simple video of it. Okay. So let me just go to YouTube. Let me download few of the music videos. Okay. Or else you might have few of the music videos. You can take that, or else you can download. Okay, what sort of music will take? What sort of videos? So you tell the name. Okay, I'll pick those clips. Okay. So let me take this one, something like marshmallow. Okay, there are a lot of advertisers are also there. I'm gonna skip the advertise. So we have this clip here. I would like to download this clip. Okay, so normally how do you download YouTube videos? Not like this. So what I do, there are multiple options, for that. I just copy this. So here I'll just go to online and online video converter. I'll just go there. Okay. So I will be pasting this here and I'll just click on go. Okay. So here, okay, I think it's loading here. It will assist me to download. There are some ad channels, it will automatically open if I start clicking on this. So try avoiding, clicking that. See, it's here. And so I download the video. It's here. So I would like to download a bit of high quality. Let me just select full HD. This is full HD. I click on download. Okay, it's here. So right click, save video. There are different options actually. So save video. I'd like to save this in RSTP batch 3 After Effects 01. Some name I'm giving. Oh, this is downloaded. I'll come back and I click on this music video. Let me select something else. There's a famous musician from Swaziland, right? Can you name some musicians, music artists? I remember one song. I think the album is, let me just check. There's a song, no? Something called Ticky Tick
Sands.
Sands.
Yeah.
Sands Tigi. This is the one?
Where is it? Yes, that's it.
Okay, great. Let me take this. I'll come over here. Let me take this. So let me download high-res video. I'll download this. So save video. Okay, anything else apart from this, you know? Okay, let me take Shakira. The problem with this site is only, you know, like it will keep on generating different links. You can just have to ignore all that. Okay. This is another one. Save. Great. Okay, I think this is enough. You know, I'm just you know, selecting some 3 videos. Let me pick some racing footages. Okay, let me take this. Okay, great. So anyhow, I have downloaded. So what I do is I'll just go to the place where I have downloaded. These are the footages, you know, which I have downloaded. 1, 2, Sans, this one, So what I do is, I'll just create a new folder, videos. So I'm gonna add these things into this. Okay. So what I do, I'm just gonna select this, drag and drop here first. Okay. Okay, something is not right. Something. Okay, the footage is not downloaded properly. Let me import Shakira video. Okay, After Effects cannot load this. I need to have some other videos then. Okay, somehow one video is there. So just download few videos and just place it. Okay. Okay, I have few comp here. Okay. Oh, there are few footages here. I'm just gonna pick all that. Okay. So what you do, just import a few footages, which is gonna good. So if sometimes if you feel, few of the docs are not there, few of the windows are not there, you have to go to window, workspace, pick standard. Okay. You will get. So it's your window workspace, go for standard. I think there's some issue. It's not loading. I think I'm gonna close this After Effects and open again. I see there is some issue in this. So sometimes if the make sure some space, yeah, I think I have very limited space here in the C drive also. So I'm gonna clear few temp files. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just restart the machine. Okay, and I'll connect again in the call. Okay, because I have opened side by side Maya also. I think it's getting some issue. I think it's okay now. Okay, it's working now. Okay, I have just taken a footage, just one this one sky footages. Okay, so these sort of footages are also available in YouTube. You can just download this. Okay, and after this, um, let me see what is this. Okay, this is a comp video. I don't want this. Control K, see, I press Control K. Control K is for, editing the settings, composition settings. Let's say you have a new composition and you forgot, instead of making the composition to full HD, you choose half HD, okay, preset. Okay. So in that case, you can just press Control K. You can edit the existing composition as well. You can change this to full HD. You can do whatever you want like that. So when I change this to full HD, so it's here like this. Okay. This is one. Okay, we have waterfall scene here. Okay, very simple. There are a lot of other effects is there. I would like to show you those effects later. Okay, but still, if you want to see, I can show you how it can be done. Here, the green area is there, right? I can remove the green area. I just select the footage. I go to FX. There's something called keying. In the keying, key light is there. I'm gonna show you in advanced, in the coming classes. In the keying, okay, this is the key light uh, tool. In the screen color, there's a eyedropper tool. I select this and I click on this green. Now the green screen is gone. We remove that. Okay, it's a simple one. Okay, like that, I'm just selecting the other one. Okay, great. We have something like this. Even here also what I do, in the effects, I copy. Here I'll come and I just paste. It's gone. It's like this, see? It's like this. And I'll come to project here. Click on this project, okay? Polar bear walk is there. I'm gonna select this. Polar bear is over here. So same way I come to effects, I'm gonna remove. I click on, I gave this key effect, I removed it. Now polar bear, what I do, scale, I make this thing smaller. And I would like to place the polar bear here. I would like to make this even smaller. I can rotate this like this, and from here I make this to quarter so that visually whatever is there, let it come. So simple, what I do is I select this polar bear, press P, position I just key, I'll come to the end, X axis. I need to match few things in this, okay? So that's how it is. Okay, multiple footages. The agenda here is, means the task what we need to do is, create multiple footages, download multiple footages, add multiple footages here. Okay, then let's add a music video. Okay. It's like this. I would like to keep my composition to this much. Okay. Something like this. It's quite simple, right? So if you want, you can reduce the size of the polar bear, press yes. So I need to work on the position part. X. It's like this. Okay. Got it? Any doubts? MD Kumalo?
Yeah, it's clear.
Then what I'll do, I'll add some music. Okay. So I have few background music, lot of several background musics are there. Logs, music. Okay, I'm gonna select this music. I'll bring it here. Then I bring it to the down. We have a music here. So up to this much, 17 seconds it is. So now what I do, I'm gonna select all this, okay, except the music. I'm gonna do pre-comp. Pre-comp in the sense, all this as a group I'm gonna keep. So Control Shift C is for comp, or else you can right click pre-compose. Click on pre-compose. The selected footages will be inside this one. Okay. So now here in the beginning, what I would like is, I select this, will come up to here. Press T for transparency. Give key here, come to the beginning, make it 0. At the end, somewhere in after 16 seconds, I make it full. And at the end, I make it 0. Okay. Similarly, I'll come over here. I select the music. I'll click on the key and I come at the end. I make this negative value. Okay. Like this. Now it's almost done. Then next is, I would like to add some color correction. So these are advanced, actually a bit of advanced, but I'm showing, just one step here. Right click, new. I would like to add an adjustment layer. Okay. Because for the entire thing, I would like to add one color. Select this FX color correction. I'll show you all this later also, but just now for your assignment or for work purpose, this is one thing which you can learn. I click on Colorama. There's an effect called Colorama under color correction, Colorama. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Here there's an output cycle. There are few presets in this. Click on this. I can choose Caribbean. I can choose Caribbean. Blend option. Okay, you can just pick, do the changes. Let's see, blue or golden, or there's so many color options are there. Okay, sepia, gray. Just check. Okay, I go for deep ocean. Few color changes. Okay, this also you can try. You can add some color. Then later you render this. Okay, so how do you render? Just go to file, export to, you can export this to media or add to render queue. Once you add to render queue, you get a render queue here. You can choose what you want. Instead of AVI, choose QuickTime, give OK, audio output is auto. Then here session 2, where do you want to save? You can just save, click on that and render. So it will start saving. Okay, it will do the compose and it will do saving. Any doubts up to here?
It's okay.
Okay, great. So what you do, just download series of videos. Last class, you have done a composition of images. This class, you have to do composition of video. Create a music video. Okay. Different music clips you add. Okay. And song, you choose some other song. Okay. It's kind of a mix mash. We have to play around. Okay. So you do this and you share the assignments. At least do some 2 different examples. Okay. Okay, if the call ends, you connect again. This call comes with 45 minutes of timeline. So if this call ends, you can connect. We can connect again. I'll talk